Oh my God. Are you okay? What the fuck just happened, dude? What happened?
I'm good.
Are you sure you're alright?
I'm good. I'm good.
Come here.
I'm good though.
Alright.
I'm just pissed, bro.
God, bro. It's alright, man. You gotta relax. This is bad. Fuck. Are you sure you're okay? Oh my God.
Thank you. I know that all too well.
Yeah.
I've done that a many a time on this road.
Fuck.
There was a big black bear up here on the road. Almost ran out in front of me. I almost messed up.
Fuck. Oh, fuck, man. Sucks, man. It's gonna really suck for a couple days, but insurance is gonna cover your bike. You're gonna be back on the road.
Fuck.
It's alright, bro. Trust me, man. You're gonna be fine. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna figure it out. I know it sucks, okay? It does.
What's up, YouTube? Well, I wasn't planning on doing a face reveal this early. I was gonna do it at like 10K or 100K, but shit happens. I'm just gonna get straight to the point because you guys already seen the title of the video. So I did crash my 2020 R6. It sucks, but I was just in the twisties. Like it sucks. It freaking sucks. I rode up the twisties. I did have on like gear. I had my boots, my gloves, my jacket, a helmet, and that's it. I had my jeans on. I don't have riding pants yet, but yeah, I had all that. I'm perfectly fine. I came out of it fine. Everything feels good. I just got like 2 road rashes. I have one. I'll show you. I have one like right here on the leg, and then I have one on my ass. I'm not gonna show that, but that one's pretty big actually. It's like a baseball size or whatever. That fucking hurts a little bit, but it sucks. No, it wasn't the corner that took me out. It was a freaking animal, believe it or not. I swerved. We were going pretty fast. I speed wobbled, and next thing you know, it just happened so fast, guys. And next thing you know, I'm just rolling on the floor. I see the bike go flying, just flipping. I'm like, oh my God. Oh, it was crazy. But I came out of it fine. Like, I just walked away from it. I'll show you. My buddy was riding. My GoPro actually cut out. Like as soon as I hit the ground so hard, I guess. I looked back in the footage and it stopped like legit like 5 seconds before. So, like right 5 seconds before I crashed. So that's kind of unfortunate. I didn't get it, but I'll show you his view. You can see a little bit of like the bike rolling. But yeah, guys, it's crazy because you never really think that it's gonna happen until like it happens. I've been shot. I think it's Memorial Day. Just ruined my whole day. And I feel bad for my mom and stepdad and all that. Cause you know it's like their worst nightmare, obviously. So, yeah, that's that. I was actually feeling really good in the corners that day too. Like you guys were telling me in the comments, really exaggerate your get a cheek off the bike and shit. And my buddy Kawasaki, our pilot, like I said, he was there with me. He was giving me like a lot of good tips too. So just not my day. Just a freak accident, really. I'll show you the. My helmet's fine. Like, I can show you the helmet. The helmet's like completely fine. I'm surprised. Like the GoPro came flying out of this though. I don't know how. And that's when it stopped recording. You see my boots that I just got. This one's fine. The left one's fine. This one got beat up a little bit, right here and a little bit there. My boots actually helped quite a bit. My phone is in my pocket. This thing got. I need a new phone now or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know when I'll be back. I'm gonna go. I have to get an estimate yet, so probably take it tomorrow or something. Get an estimate. See how much it's gonna cost to fix it. I gotta talk to insurance. Here's the bag. Kind of see it. Like the bag actually helped me quite a bit. I'm surprised. What else? I mean, then the gloves. These were pretty good gloves. I mean, it saved me from sliding all like here. Little hole there. You can see the freaking, I guess the yellow line or whatever that was. I don't even know. The side's a little beat up here too. Held up pretty well, I guess. And while we're at it, I'll show you the bike and the jacket too. Here's the jacket, just completely torn, bro. Like this could have like saved my life or a lot of road rash. I mean, look at that, it's crazy. A little bit here. Pretty much it on the jacket. And there's the bike. Just, yeah. I'll show you the other side too. Yeah, the keys just. Yeah, so it was pretty bad. I mean, my buddy was saying like, a lot of the times you see crashes like that, like. You don't really walk away from them, bro, so counting the blessings for sure. Someone was definitely watching me today. Thank the Lord there. I mean, that was a pretty bad crash and I walked away fine. Just two little rashes, that's about it. But like, thank God I'm not in the hospital or anything right now. Yeah, we were going a little fast in the corners. Yeah, an animal jumped out. There's nothing I can do about that. You know, I just gotta take it slower, I guess, or something. I don't know. I'll be back for sure, though, guys. Don't worry. I got like 10-15 videos saved up too that I'll edit. So, stay tuned for those. And after that, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to give me some ideas in the comments of maybe what I should do until I get my bike back up and running, or maybe even a new bike if it's too much to fix. So, yeah, it's crazy. I keep saying like. Just crazy. You don't know, you don't think it's gonna happen until it happens. I mean, big shout out to Kawasaki RR Pilot, guys. He helped me like after the crash and everything too. He went down and got service. I called my parents to come pick me up, the truck and everything. Another family actually picked me up after. They saw my bike sitting there and they stopped by. They said, "Yo, you need help?" I said, "Yeah, please." So they drove me down to the gas station because we had no service in the twisties, obviously. So. I had to drive me back down to the gas station, and here's this. I didn't even show you guys this yet. My brother got me that for my birthday, and hang it up on the wall or something. But I put it on the windshield, and yeah, that got destroyed. That poor bike though, guys. I don't know. I just wanted to get on here and talk to you. I'm just glad I'm okay. On the bike I can fix. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys, I did order another front fender carbon piece, so the whole front would have been carbon. Good thing that doesn't actually come until tomorrow, so good thing that wasn't on there, but whatever. I mean, good thing the whole bike wasn't carbon before I freaking crashed it. I don't know, guys, it's kind of crazy. But like I said, I was feeling really good today too in the twisties. Like I was getting really show you how far over I was getting. Like it goes right here. Like look, all I had was a finger length, and I was getting pretty close over. Like just totally off the wheel, bro. And the other side is just bent. Yeah, that's that, guys. So it's unfortunate. We'll be back though. We'll be back. Just wait on it. We'll be back. I'm gonna take it slow for a little bit, but we'll be back 100%. I'm not gonna stop. The first thing I thought about when I crashed, I was like, I thought about you guys, bro. I was looking for the GoPro. I walked around. I was in shock, bro. I'm like, no way. I just crashed my bike and it was bad. And I was like, damn. I go look at my GoPro on the ground because I told you it came off my helmet, and it wasn't recording. I'm like, what the hell? So I just turned the record button on immediately, but I recorded a little bit, but then I put it on the ground and just like, I don't know. So I tried to be positive through it, but it really sucks. Because I love riding, so I guess I'll be working out a lot. So, but thank you for your support so far, guys. We're gonna be at, I don't know when I'm gonna post this, probably soon, but we're at like almost 7.6K. So I like it. Like I said, I guess we're doing a face reel now, so shit. I wasn't gonna do until 10K or whatever, but if my bike is too much to fix, let me know what bike you guys would want me to get in the comments. I would want a leader bike, but I don't want to crash and go straight to a leader bike. You know, it's kind of, you're an idiot. But we'll see what happens. I really want to fix the R6 though, because they don't make them anymore. So I got full coverage too on the bike. So hopefully I get. My buddy was saying that they'll give me all my money back for the bike, maybe more, like for all the carbon parts and the quick shifter and all that. I just give them receipts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just kind of want to get on here and talk to you guys. It is what it is. It's life. I'm only 20. I'll come back. I'll learn from it. You know, maybe slow down a little bit. I can't believe it didn't record it either, guys. Like it stopped recording like 3 seconds after before the crash. I think, like I said, it just jolted the GoPro so hard it fell off my helmet and shit, and it stopped recording or something. So I'm okay. That's all that matters. So if you like the content you've been seeing or the videos that I'm about to post out soon, subscribe, baby. Come on, subscribe, baby. So put my life on the line. So yeah, that's all. If you're out there, ride safe, please. I don't want you going down either. That shit sucks. So thank you to everyone who helped out, like my parents, Kawasaki RR Pilot, like I said, I'll tag them. The family that helped me to bring me down to the gas station. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated though. Everything's good. I'm still here, so thank God. So yeah, we're just gonna, the grind just really starts now, I guess. So we'll be back better than catch you guys on next one. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.